Ever needed to convert a photo from JPG to PNG on your iPhone or iPad, but it was too complicated? In this quick guide, I'll show you a super simple way to make the switch. No extra apps, no hassle, just a few taps. Open the Gallery app on your device and select a photo. Tap on Share button to save it to files. If you haven't subscribed on your channel, please do so and hit the notification bell. That would mean a lot to me. Now open the Files app and navigate to the saved photo. Now select it and tap on More. Choose Convert Image and you're good to go. Your JPG image is converted to PNG on your iPhone.
You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows.